Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. 2 power a times 8 power a is equal to 30. Find the value of a. We will start the solution of this question. We have 2 power a times 8 power a equals 30. We can write this as 2 power 8. What is 8? 8 is 2 cube whole power a equals 30. We know the formula x power m whole power n can be written as x power m into n. So this will be 2 power a times 2 power 3 into a is 3a is equal to 30. Now these are the same basis. Exponent will add because x power m times x power n can be written as x power m plus n. So this will be 2 power a plus 3a equals 30. It will be 2 power 4a is equal to 30. Now we will take the log on both sides of the equation, that is log of 2 power 4a equals log of 30. We will use the power rule of log on the left hand side, which is log of m raised to the power n can be written as n times log of m. So it will be 4a times log of 2 is equal to log of 30. We will divide log 2 on both sides of the equation, that is 4a log of 2 over log of 2 is equal to log of 30 over log of 2. Log 2 cancel with log 2. 4a equals log of 30 over log of 2. We can write this as 4a equals log of 2 into 3 into 5 over log of 2. We know that log of m times n is always equal to log of m plus log of n. So here it will be 4a equals log of 2 plus log of 3 plus log of 5, and this log 2 divides on 3 terms, log of 2, log of 2 and log of 2. Now log 2 cancel with log 2. Before a equals 1 plus log of 3 over log of 2 plus log of 5 over log of 2. Divide this 4 on both sides of the equation. 4 cancel with 4. A equals 1 over 4, 1 plus log of 3 over log of 2 plus log of 5 over log of 2. Now we will use formula log quotient rule that is log of m divided by log of n is equals to log of m the base n. So our a will be equal to 1 by 4 times 1 plus log of 3 with the base 2 plus log of 5 with the base 2. This is the final value of a, which we have calculated using a number of formulas, power rule and quotient rule of logarithm. Now we will check this value of a, whether it is correct or not. We know that the given equation is 2a times 8a equals 30. Or after simplification we got 2 power 4a equals to 30. Now put the value of a here. It will be 2 power 4 times 1 by 4, 1 plus log of 3 with the base 2 plus log of 5 with the base 2 is equal to 30. This 4 cancel with this. 2 power 1 plus log of 3 with the base 2 plus log of 5 with the base 2, 30. We know that a power m plus n can be written as a power m times a power m. So it will be 2 power 1 times 2 power log of 3 with the base 2 times 2 power log of 5 with the base 2. For this and this we use that a power log of b with the base a always equals to b. So it will be 2 times this whole replaced by b. What is b? 3. And this whole will replace by b. What is b? 5. 30. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 5 is 30. 30 equals 30. It means left hand side equal right hand side, and our value of a, which is this, is correct, and this is the final answer. And I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.